Hello friends, today let's take a look at one of our complex problems in finding the missing term. So if you take a look at this particular sequence of numbers, we have 0, 2, 3, 5, 8, 10, 15, 17, 24 and 26, and we have to find the missing number. If you take a look at it as a single series, you may not be able to find a proper correlation between these numbers. However, let's start looking at it from a different angle. Let's take the alternate numbers and put it in a sequence and see how that works. So let's take the first one, 0, 3, 8, 15, 24. And then we have question mark. The next series we have 2, 5, 10, 17, 26. Now, if you look at it, you are able to see a sequence. The difference between these two is 3. The difference between these two numbers is 5. Difference between these two numbers is 7. Difference between these two numbers is 9. Same way, the difference between these two numbers is 3. Here it is 5. The difference between these two numbers is 7. And the difference is 9. And if you extrapolate this little further in the same combination, let's take 11 as an example. And so now the number, if you add 11 to 24, it is 35. So 35 is this missing number. So when you get a series like this, try to look at it from different angles to see if you can find a combination of series in a particular sequence, and that will help you to find the missing term. Subscribe to us for more problems. Thank you.